In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add URL in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn plain text in an event or task description into a clickable link, so you can jump straight to a web page, a document, or a video right from your calendar. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're on the correct Google account where your event or task lives. Once your calendar loads, find the event or task you want to update and open it so you can see the details panel. Inside the details, look for the description field. This is where you can add notes that appear with the event. Click into that field and type the word or phrase you want to turn into a link. For example, you might type YouTube if you're linking to a video. A quick tip, choose descriptive text so you'll remember where the link goes later, like team intro video or project brief rather than something generic. Next, highlight the text you just typed. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the word or by using your keyboard to select it. You should see formatting options appear above or below the field once text is selected. Now click the Add Link button. It usually looks like a small chain link icon in the formatting toolbar. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, many browsers support Ctrl-K on Windows or CMD-K on Mac to open the link dialog while the text is highlighted. When the link dialog opens, paste or type the full URL you want to use. For a YouTube link, be sure it starts with HTTPS and includes the complete address. Copying directly from the address bar and pasting it here helps avoid typos. If you're linking to a shared resource, make sure the sharing settings on that item allow the people invited to the event to open it. After you've entered the URL, click OK to confirm. Your selected text should now appear as a hyperlink, typically underlined or in a different color, indicating it's clickable. That's it. The link is now part of the event or task description, so when you or your guests open it, you can click straight through. To recap, you went to Google Calendar, opened an event or task, typed your link text in the description, highlighted it, used the Add Link option, entered the URL, and confirmed. Use this same method for meeting agendas, reference docs, slide decks, or videos. It keeps everything accessible in one place and saves time when you're on the go.